how to survive. No. One step. One. When they come, be not afraid. Equip the full armor of the Lord. Step 2. Do not believe their threats. Whoever drinks of his water will thirst no longer. Step 3. Whatever you do, do not wear his mark. Be strong. They can only harm your flesh. I love you.
The following is a public service announcement brought to you by the Second Tower of Babel. In collaboration with numerous government agencies, the Second Tower of Babel will be launching a never-before-seen search and rescue effort aimed at locating Dr. Jeff Ernstman. We intend to search every last crevice on planet Earth until we have located Dr. Ernstman. This will include a search of any private or public space, carried out by our very own Angel Corps. If you see us coming, please be not afraid and cooperate as best as possible. We only aim to instill order in this chaotic world.